Hello everybody, welcome. Today I'm hauling manure. I just want to take a second and say thanks to everybody that is a new subscriber. I saw we got tons of new subscribers. I don't know if it's from RFD TV or if it's just from my channel growing a little bit, but I appreciate it, and I also appreciate the comments. I saw that I got a couple comments, and I did my best to respond to them. So thanks for commenting, guys. It really makes me want to make more YouTube videos where people are interactive like that. So let me know if you like this, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks, guys. So in a little bit, Jake is coming out, and I really hope we can get some Jake cam. That'd be some good footage, and that'd be really funny to think of what goes through that kid's mind a lot. But we'll see. I'll try to talk him into it, but I'm gonna put a card like right in this area, right over here somewhere, and you guys need to click on that and vote if you want me to force some of my other working buddies like Logan, Gavin, Tristan, Jake, or even my uncles like Clint, Adam, my dad, Grandpa. You guys vote if you guys want to see them on the YouTube channel, and I'll make it happen. So click on that card, vote, and we'll see if we can get some other people on the Travis Farms YouTube channel. All right, switching tractors finally, and we're going to switch to action shots right now. So today I'm running the toolbar, our NH3 toolbar, and what I'm doing is I'm pulling anhydrous across our fields. This is what we've found as the most valuable source of nitrogen, and so there's other sources like urea, which is a dry product that they broadcast across the fields, and we just don't see that as being a long-term nitrogen product for our corn plant. So we revert to NH3, which is anhydrous ammonia gas. So this toolbar is a little over 37 feet, and we're pulling, we're getting to it, and hopefully I can make a good video for you guys. So for the people that are non-farmers out there, some things that I really have to look for in order to ensure that I'm staying safe running this equipment is wind direction. Now, right now the wind is coming out of the north, blowing south. So whenever I get out of the tractor, I have to make sure that I am on the north side of my toolbar. Because when I lift up out of the ground, like you guys saw in an earlier clip, there is still some anhydrous that seeps out. If something was to happen while I'm out of that tractor, if I'm on the north side of the tractor, I will not be affected by it because the wind will push that in the other direction. So that's very important that I keep an eye on the wind direction. Alright guys, so now we have to switch tanks. This tank's empty, that one's full. And so what we have to do is we have to shut off valves and then bleed lines, and then we should be good to hook up to the other tank. So right now I am upwind from this tank because when I bleed the lines, it will smell a little bit like anhydrous, but it won't be leaking. So I'm upwind, I'm gonna jump up there, I'm gonna get all that ready to go, and then we'll pull away from this. That's pretty simple. Like I said, I just had to bleed lines and turn off the valve next to my bar, and then turn off the one on top of the anhydrous tank. So the next tank I'm hooking up to is a double wide, I guess is what they call them, and it has 2 tanks on it. And so what we're going to do with this one is we're going to back up to it. We're going to hook up to our liquid points here. We have 2 connections on the toolbar, so we'll hook up to our liquid points. We'll hook up to the actual toolbar and we'll take off. You can see I got my first one on here. The coupler's nice and tight. Here's my bleeder valve. I want to make sure that's all the way closed so we're not leaking any. I'm going to make sure this toolbar is closed for right now, and so is this hose coming off that tank. I'm also going to make sure this one's closed because I don't know for sure if they close those ones or not, so it's important for me to double check. I could potentially risk my life. So I checked that one, we're good. I'm going to grab that hose, put it on there. We're going to go put some more acres in. Alright, both lines are connected, both lines are tight. Bleeder valves both shut off. Both my shut-offs to my actual bar shut off. The first shut-off's coming off the tank. They're shut off. I'm going to walk up to the actual tank now, and I'm going to open up this orange one here, which will now feed anhydrous from this tank here all the way up to my toolbar. Alright guys, so now what I did is I went into this monitor and I touched on this 100% mark right there, and I hit tank refill, so that tells my monitor that I have a completely full tank. Now that doesn't do much. If it was running on 0, as far as I know, it would still be applying anhydrous either way. That's just for the farmer to know, okay, I'm getting down pretty low, I need to be watching my gauges. And so that's extremely important to have, because if you were to run dry and keep applying across the field and had no clue, you would have absolutely no clue where you had been last. So we're good to go. We're hooked up right. Let's go put in some acres. Guys, I want to thank you for watching, and if you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button. It makes me want to put better and more content out for you guys. And comment too. I liked a couple guys commented, and I tried my best to respond to them with as accurate of an answer as I could. And yeah, keep commenting, and if you want to, like the video. And thanks for watching. Always stay tuned. I'll always have more videos coming your guys' way. So this is anhydrous thing. Hopefully I do more of it. Hopefully you guys learned something. And also comment what you guys want to see. I mean, sometimes the weather can't have us spraying, or can't have us planting corn or soybeans, but I'll do my best to maybe make a video of some sort of aspect of that. So stick with us, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.